The amount of evidence pointing to estrogens of the synthetic as well as natural variety permeating the water we drink, our everyday lives, and resulting in deleterious effects on the body is staggering. As I'm sure many of you may recall, Alex Jones made a comment touching on the tainted nature of tap water, followed by a rather irate display of disapproval for, quote, chemicals in the water that turn the friggin' frogs gay, end quote. I would imagine that these comments were taken and perceived in a multitude of ways, of course, much in the same way as the conventional medical model, none of which actually addressing the issue at hand by looking into any potential underlying causes. Up until now, I've discussed the effects of chronic estrogen exposure on humans and the means by which this endocrine disrupting as well as carcinogenic cycle continues. Given that effluent still containing estrogens following treatment at municipal sewage treatment plants is then sent to natural bodies of water, what are the consequences for wildlife such as frogs who face chronic exposure to these remaining estrogen concentrations? Well, there are more than just a few, and according to Lena Nikolaris in her doctoral thesis, quote, even low concentrations of ethanoestradiol have an impact on fish, both their behavior and their genetics. We have seen a change in the genetic balance in fish, and that they have a harder time catching food. Previous studies have shown that the fish also develop problems with procreation. This can lead to the complete disappearance of an entire fish population and consequences for entire ecosystems. End quote. It is true that enough evidence has been accumulated to link estrogen-related effluent, some research stating specifically synthetic estrogen from the birth control pill, and the documented rates of intersex fish that inhabit it. Multiple studies have found male fish in close proximity to effluent to exhibit developmental abnormalities such as eggs located in the testes and hindered reproductive success. Speaking more so to Mr. Jones's comments, as per one 2020 study, it appears frogs too are destined to a similar fate. Exogenous estrogens are endocrine disruptors, meaning they possess the potential to disrupt glands which secrete certain hormones. Frogs, like humans, possess an endocrine system composed of various glands, but one in particular, the thyroid, or the little butterfly-shaped one located in the neck, serves the function of controlling the developmental stage of frogs during their tadpole phase. When chronic estrogen exposure occurs during this delicate phase, as an endocrine disruptor, thyroid functionality is in turn hindered, resulting in alterations to or hindered development. With this information in mind, as well as past studies finding frogs exposed to estrogens developing intersexually, a research methodology was generated wherein ethanoestradiol from 2001 to 2003 was added to part of the Experimental Lake Area, or ELA for short, located in Ontario, Canada, at concentrations similar to that found in natural water sources. It was found that in 2001, amongst the green and mink frog subjects, specifically the green frog tadpoles, faced lower rates of hatching success. Of the 18 mink frog tadpoles, one was found to be intersex during this initial year. In the following year of 2002, a significant decrease in the mass of tadpoles was found, and the rate of intersex mink frogs was found to be 7 out of the total 56. The rates in 2003 were the highest, with 28.6% of the sample found to be intersex. By these results, it would appear that transgenerational development alterations may be at play, and if this serves to illustrate a microcosm for the state of contemporary humanity, well, I'm in agreement with Mr. Jones that this is indeed not funny. And this concludes this series on estrogens in the environment. If you got something out of this content, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Consider donating, becoming a patron. And as always, here's to the research, and take care.